Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know ये वीडियो थोड़ा मेरे schedule से हटके है, but this is a bonus video as I told you guys on my Instagram this week earlier. So something really special happened. मेरे से इंतजार नहीं हो रहा था कि मैं इस वीडियो को थोड़ा और बाद में डालूं because I'm just too excited and too happy to share it with you guys. So first of all, I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who has extended their support and जिन्होंने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया है अभी तक. I mean, you guys are the sweetest and you guys keep me going. So thank you so much for all the love. Without any further delay, आप लोगों को टाइटल से obviously already पता चल गया होगा, but I would still say it out loud because it makes me so happy. So I got my first PR package. Yay! And it's from my favorite, my absolute favorite Kohinoor jewelry. And this is the box. So let me just remove this bubble wrap. By the way, who loves popping them? I do. This is the trunk. And it's a very beautiful baby pink color and all the golden detail. Thank you so much for sending me this. Let me open it up without any further delay. के अंदर बहुत ही nicely wrapped रखा हुआ है सब कुछ. Let's just look at this. Oh, this is so sweet. Sent me this cutesy note with the package. So let me just quickly read it out. It says, "Hi Anmol, thank you for subscribing to September edition Jeweled by Kohinoor box. It's a one-of-a-kind subscription box where each month you will receive hand-picked traditional jewelry according to themes." Oh, that's nice. So every month unki different themes hogi. Yeah, that's nice. So this month's theme is pearls. I love pearls. You will find a pearl necklace, statement earrings, statement ring and a pair of Jadau hairpins which is yet to be launched in your leatherette pink box. Hope you like everything. All these items are handmade with a lot of love and it's a great gifting option too. Thank you so much, Jasmine. I mean, मुझे ऐसे पर्सनल हार्टफेल्ट नोट्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद हैं and when you receive something like this from a big and nice and amazing brand like yours, I just feel so special. And other than that, here is the card for Kohinoor jewelry. So I'll also give their Instagram handle in the description box. I have been ordering jewelry from them for a long time now. उनके पास आपको बहुत सारे options मिलेंगे. They have such intricate, such beautiful feminine designs and the best part is they ship worldwide. So doesn't matter अगर आप इंडिया में नहीं रहते, if you're watching this video from outside India, you can still order from them. The owner of Kohinoor jewelry, her name is Jasmine and she's such a sweetheart. I mean, I love her as a person. I love her brand and everything about Kohinoor jewelry is very heartfelt. Let's open this baby up. Look at the bright pink color. बहुत ही nicely packed है ताकि बिल्कुल भी jewelries पे किसी भी तरह का कोई transit में कुछ भी damage ना हो. So this is very nicely packed. So there are 4 things in total. 1, 2, 3 and this one 4. Start with the smallest one. Okay. These are the Jadau hairpins. Sari jewelry is handmade and this is a made in India brand, so I love to support them. I love to buy from them. ये ऐसा piece है I believe जिसको आप traditional and western wear के साथ भी लगा सकते हैं because this is a very versatile piece. It is absolutely stunning. So let's go in for the second one. I just cannot contain my excitement. I mean, the pieces are so pretty. I can keep looking at it all day long. It's so darn beautiful. This is actually a ring and it's It's a very beautiful कुंदन एंड पर्ल रिंग. बहुत ही छोटे छोटे पर्ल्स हैं इस पे और बहुत ब्यूटीफुल फ्लोरल डिजाइन है मिडिल में एंड उसके आसपास पूरे ऐसे पर्ल्स लगे हैं. ये पहना हुआ बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. I'm gonna wear this one on my wedding day. Third thing, my gosh, guys, oh my god, look at this stunning earring. It's so pretty. My gosh. So जब ये लॉन्च हुए थे तभी इनको सेव करके रख लिया था कि मैं जरूर इनको खरीदूंगी एंड I just got this one today. Thank you. I am stunned. This is such a stunning piece. My gosh. और ये इतना लाइट वेट है. Like ये दिखने में कितना ग्रैंड लग रहा है बट इसका वेट बहुत ही लाइट है ईयर पे. You don't feel like it's pulling on your ear. It's very light. Looking at the gorgeous एकदम रानियों वाला डिजाइन. Let me just open up the last piece. This is a pearl necklace. Wow! Look at this. This is such a royal piece. So this is a very beautiful 3-string pearl necklace. इसके पीछे भी बहुत सुंदर ऐसा लटकन जैसा लगा हुआ है ताकि वो बिल्कुल ही ब्लैंड लुक ना आए पीछे बस वो धागा लटकता हुआ. So this is a nice touch. This is really nice finishing. So this was all that came in the subscription box. And कोहिनूर ज्वेलरी ने एक्चुअली कुछ टाइम पहले गिव अवे भी ऑर्गेनाइज किया था and I was one of the winners. First giveaway I participated in actually. मैं देखती हूँ काफ़ी सारे giveaways होते रहते हैं but I hardly participate. This was the first one that I actively participated in. So the gift came in this beautiful potli. And this one also has a sweet handwritten note. It says, "Hi Anmol, many congratulations on winning the giveaway. I would like to thank you for your constant support. Please find this bracelet in the box. It is yet to be launched and has been designed by me along with small kundan studs. Hope you like your surprise gift. Love, Jasmine." I like it? No, I love it. This is so pretty. And again, they have provided their business card with it. Alright. So, first up, I would like to show you guys Kundan के जो दो studs हैं. Very elegant, very classy. Like, I love studs. I personally love studs because, you know, all the time you can't wear heavy earrings because कभी occasion नहीं होता है and कभी ऐसा होता है when you just want to go light on your ear. So studs come into the picture at that time and this is such a pretty kundan stud. Let me go in for the other gift. This is a bracelet, again a kundan and pearl bracelet. So ये bracelet actually originally subscription box का part था, but since ये मेरे पास पहले ही आ गया था उनकी तरफ से giveaway gift में, so they were really nice to send me these hairpins instead and I love that. मेरे पास एक भी bracelets नहीं है, so this one goes perfectly well with the ring, the earring, the necklace. So I have a full set now. this was all that came in the giveaway gift. And एक चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, like हम लोग इतनी सारी शॉपिंग करते हैं and we go for bigger brands and stuff, but then I feel like it's equally important to promote small businesses, budding businesses, और especially वो जो कि Indian brands हैं. I would highly recommend Kohinoor Jewelry to you guys. Based on my personal experience, I can highly vouch for the quality of every piece that they offer you. The owner, Jasmine, is a really nice person. I mean, it's really difficult, I understand, to be a woman, have a family, have a small kid, and manage your own business all at the same time. But she's doing amazing. She's nailing it every day. She's hustling every day. It makes me so happy to see, like, not just Kohinoor Jewelry, but any other brand who has just started or who has been in the market for a while and they are still growing. So, you know, if we can, we should definitely support them. I think मैं bankrupt हो जाऊंगी, but still I wouldn't stop shopping from them because I love every piece in their collection. I'll give their Instagram handle in the description box and I'll also link it somewhere here, so you guys can definitely go check them out. The jewelry is very affordable. ऐसा नहीं है कि only 5,000, 4,000, 10,000 की jewelry है. No, the pieces are very affordable. And कुछ pieces तो ऐसे हैं जिनको देख के आपको लगेगा कि oh ये तो बहुत expensive होगा. But then when you look at the price, it's like wow, a pleasant surprise. जो quality देते हैं ये लोग in such great range of prices is amazing. A big shout out to Kohinoor Jewelry, and thank you so much for making me feel so special and having the faith in me and sending me this first PR package of mine. I will just quickly drop in the trunk again. Look at this, it's so beautiful. So आप उनके पेज पे जाके खुद देख सकते हो. They have a separate post regarding the jewelry subscription and it's gonna be a thing from now on. So they have two options. One is 1 month subscription. So जो लोग बस एक बार like you know first time buyer हैं and they want to give it a try, you can definitely go for that. And the second option that they have is 3 months subscription. The prices and everything are on their post, जो कि इनके subscription box के बारे में है. Every month इनकी अलग-अलग themes होने वाली है. So this month it was pearl. I'm excited to find out what's gonna be in the next month. So जो भी कुछ थोड़े बहुत पीसेज अपने वेडिंग ट्रूजो के लिए भी कलेक्ट कर रही हूँ, वो भी मैंने कोहिनूर ज्वेलरी से ही मंगवाया है. एंड एवरी पीस इज अ मास्टरपीस इन इटसेल्फ. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिकॉज आई रिसीव्ड दिस ब्यूटिफुल PR फ्रॉम कोहिनूर ज्वेलरी, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट देम इन दिस वीडियो. आई हैव बीन देयर कस्टमर फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम नाउ एंड आई एम सुपर इम्प्रेस्ड विद एवरीथिंग that they have to offer, all the pieces of jewelry. और मैंने अपने पहले के वीडियोस में भी कोहिनूर ज्वेलरी का काफ़ी सारा सेट्स पहना है. मैं यहाँ का ही लिंक डाल दूंगी, आप लोग जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. Do give the page a visit. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye.